All right, let's try this again. If you watched the video I just put up, there was a mistake in it, so I'm redoing it. But anyway, I showed you all this box yesterday, and I wasn't going to put this up until Friday because that was the launch. Now it's already up on social media, so I will go ahead and do it now. What I hold in my hand is the brand new PKS Kephart Campmaster Edition. This is going to be my new go-to knife. I got to play with this a lot when we were prototyping, and I like it. You guys know, if you've watched very many of my videos, I am a fan of the Kephart. Not necessarily the Kephart XL. That's a good knife. I just don't want that longer blade and heavier. This is the original Kephart. This is one I had made with walnut scales. This is the PKS Campmaster Kephart. The differences are, this has a narrower blade, 3/32. I said 3/16 in my other video, that's why I'm doing this again. Anyway, this is a 3/32 wide blade. The old Kephart has the wider blade. Maybe I put one of these upside down, you'll be able to actually see the difference. This is the Campmaster. This is the Kephart. You'll see that this has a wider blade, thicker. The overall dimensions are about the same. This has the flatter scales on it, where the old Kephart had a more rounded scale. With this thinner blade, this thing is going to be a beast on a ferro rod. It's going to be really good for camp chores like prepping meat and vegetables and so on and so forth. You're going to get a nice thinner cut. That's really about all I've got to say. There's already a couple other videos out there. Matt over at Black Hat Bushcraft, he's actually talked about this. Put up an Instagram post at least. Dave's probably talked about it. Everybody's probably talked about it. Now, I love my Kephart. I love it. But I got bad news for you. This is going to be my everyday knife from here on out. We talked about this for a really long time before we did it. And gonna be my no go-to. If you want to purchase this, it launches tomorrow, January the 20th at 1 p.m., I believe. I would appreciate it if you would use my link to get over to the SRO website. It's not on my gear page yet, but you can use the link in my description, and that'll take you to my gear page, and then you can search on either Campmaster or Kephart, and this will come up. 1 p.m. tomorrow. These go live. PKS is not a huge production shop, so there won't be a lot of these available. There'll be a few. This is the launch. I need you guys to make this a popular knife, because I politicked for it for a really long time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Subscribe. Share my videos. Do the whole 9 yards. Thank y'all.